Hello, welcome back. Today we are talking about Ipsy April 2023 spoilers for the Glam bag, the base bag. As you may have heard, Ipsy and BoxyCharm did recently merge. If you want to hear more about that, you can click on this video and watch that after this. There is no major changes to the Ipsy, the base bag. The only real change is the introduction of power picks. In the Ipsy Glam bag, you will get one power pick, which they are calling a power pick is one like superstar product. Your choice for the April, the base bag for Ipsy will open on March 22nd through the 24th is when that will be open. The first spoiler that we have is from Benefit. They unfortunately are not cruelty free, but this is from their new skincare line. This is their Good Cleanup Mini Foam Cleanser. The mini size is 0.92 ounces, and that does have a retail value of $15. It says that it does come in an aluminum bottle. The skincare concerns are pores. The skin type is for normally dry, combination, and oily. It contains less than 1% of synthetic fragrance. The lemon extract is supposed to help your pores look smaller. The yuzu extract helps skin feel smoother. And actually, just a little tidbit about that ingredient, that yuzu has 3 more times vitamin C than any other citrus fruit. So that is definitely a power ingredient for your skin. Number 2 spoiler is from Living Proof. Now they are cruelty free, however their parent company is not. This product is vegan and silicone free. This is the Curl Elongator that retails for $20. The size is 3.4 ounce. It does say that it is color safe. It's a conditioning styler that defines and entangles even the tightest curls for the softest, shinier, and frizz-free strands. I have not tried either one of those. Next up, we have one of my favorite hair care brands, Briogeo. They are cruelty-free, however, they are owned by Wella, who is not cruelty-free. This product is also vegan. This is, I actually have one of these, the Avocado plus Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. So here's what the full size looks like. This full size is 8 ounce and it retails for $39. Of course, this is for the Ipsy Glam bag base bag, so it will not be a full size in there. At Ulta, this gets 4 stars out of 142 results. 79 people said they would recommend. After shampooing, massage into your hair and leave on 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing out. You can use it once to twice a week in place of a conditioner. I don't know if you can see it. It is a like mint green. It feels, it feels kind of like a moisturizer, to be honest. It smells good. It's not overpowering. I mean, it just smells kind of like fruity. It's not strong. I do like this when I've used it, which I need to use it. My hair's looking a little kind of frizzy, but I have found that it does help my frizzy hair. I have dry hair and I do really like that one. I actually like, so far, I haven't tried all of their products, but so far every product that I've tried from Briogeo, I do like it. So if you have dry hair, that's all I can talk about. If you have dry scalp and kind of dry hair, I will have links to that down below. Actually, links to everything that I'm discussing is down below if you want to look over more details, the ingredients, or read the reviews before choice opens so you know what you want to pick. We have a makeup product from Smashbox. They are cruelty free, however their parent company unfortunately is not. This is the Studio Skin 24-Hour Hydro Foundation. This is a mini size. It retails for $16 for 0.34 ounces. It is a liquid foundation and it's supposed to stay put for 24 hours. There is 40 shades available and it says that it will not oxidize. It is described as a natural matte finish that can be buildable. If you have tried any of these products, please feel free to leave a comment down below and share with everyone else if you would recommend this product. And if you do say that you do or don't recommend it, if you could also leave what your skin type is so that we all know, if it's maybe good for us or what. Now, my bags are gifted to me, so I do not get to pick what comes in my bags. But this next item, fingers crossed that it is in my bag. This is a lipstick from Pat McGrath. It is the Mini Matte Trans Lipstick in Divine Rose. It has a retail value. Ipsy on their spoilers is saying a retail value of $18. I could not find where you can buy a mini of this, so the full size is $39 for 0.14 ounce. And the color is described as a romantic nude. Their cruelty-free status I have as unclear. They are cruelty-free, but the blogs that I go off of, the list that I go off, to be considered 100% cruelty-free, the ingredients from the suppliers also have to be cruelty-free, and they have not been able to get a confirmation from Pat McGrath if their suppliers and the ingredients are cruelty-free. So that's why I put Pat McGrath as unclear. And just out of curiosity, since, you know, Ipsy and Boxy has merged, which company do you think has been around longer? Any guesses? Pause the video and let me know down below. If you guessed that Ipsy has been around a little bit longer, then give this video a thumbs up. Ipsy was founded in 2011 and BoxyCharm 2013. I just thought that that was interesting. So what do you think of these spoilers? Do you think it's good? You know, I feel like this month they got to really kick it out of the park to make everyone like still be excited about the merger and all that. So do you think that based on the spoilers that that's going to happen for the base bag? If you want to see what I got in my March Ipsy bags, then you can click on this video next. Also, if you want to see what we have for April spoilers for BoxyCharm by Ipsy, first one, then make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and come back tomorrow because that will be tomorrow's video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye.